door. We'll use our cell phones as flashlights. Let's go.
Need to make sure we don't get lost down here. One misstep and we might never get out.
Deep breaths. We have directions to follow. Everything will be fine. This seems right. We're on track. Getting closer. Ah!
Ow! My ears! I'm deaf.
Sorry. That one got away from me.
Hey, did you hear that?
What?
Ah!
What is it? Jeez!
Sounds wooden. Like a door? It's coming from that way, but the directions go this way.
We're on it.
Wait, our cell phones don't work down here. And that sounds really angry.
It could be May. But if we go that way, we might not be able to find our way back.
Look! We'll follow the signs.
Okay, good luck. Hey, Joe! If you guys get in trouble, just scream. I'll be able to hear you.
Very funny.
B...
Yep, I always am.
Joe.
Yes, Frank?
So we're wading through this water,
Yeah?
and it's in tunnels? Underground?
I know what you're asking. I'd rather not think about it.
I'll handle it. Hi, my name is Frank Hardy. I'm with my brother, Joe. Do you need any help?
Yes! Doesn't anyone answer their phone anymore?
Deirdre?
Deirdre, the door's locked.
Thank you, Captain Obvious. Ugh. Okay, guys. I need you to get in here. I'm being crushed. I need your help. Fast!
Hold on, Deirdre. We're coming. I don't know. We gotta find a way.
Hey, what's taking so long?
This has to be all of them, right?
Sure. Now let's get on with this strange door. Come on, get them all in there.
Is that even possible? I mean, look at them.
Hey, guys, I can't take this much longer. What's the holdup?
Got it. We're coming in.
Grab her! Grab her! What the heck are you doing down here?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Are you okay?
My leg. It's just bruised, I think. I'll be fine.
I thought you were dying.
Well, I could have died if you hadn't saved me. I would have been trapped down here for days and starved to death.
Where are we?
We're in Hathorn House. I came here to try and find the will. That was a secret entrance. The rain is really doing a number on what's left of the place. I managed to get past the stairs, but that bookcase? Well, I'm just glad you two were here. Who knew that old furniture is really heavy?
Not for me. Man strength.
Yeah, right. It was all worth it.
You know, secret room. I bet you this is where Abigail was kept. Imagine all the bad memories of this place.
That's not all. Look down.
Hey, I think I found something.
Let me see. Ah, it's a riddle. We need this to figure out which buttons to press. Probably.
Don't move.
Yeah, I'm not moving.
It's a puzzle.
Captain Obvious, reporting for duty.
These symbols, I've seen them before.
Look around, Frank. Maybe there's a key or something.
They move.
Yes, we all saw it.
This machine is awesome. It's like a giant lock. Another circle bites the dust.
Let's figure out the next one.
This is going pretty good, actually.
Did you ever doubt us?
Well,
Don't answer that one.
We did it!
Good job, everyone.
yes, perfect. Now, take more time to celebrate, and we'll have the ceiling joining us.
Oh,
Whoa! Cool!
a house?
Within the house.
Oh,
Something moved. This is so exciting.
Well, what is it? What is it?
it's Francis Tuttle's will.
It's right through here. I know it. May? May! Come on, hurry! May! May? May, say something. May? Can you hear me?
My head.
You were unconscious.
I'm okay.
I think you have a concussion. I'm gonna move you over to the wall, okay?
Okay. Okay. Ah! How did you find me?
Jason, your sister is really worried about you.
I'm sure she is. We need to get out of here.
Wait, not yet. Jason told me he brought a book down here. It's a very important book that I need to find. I can't leave without it. Do you know anything about that?
If it's here, you can look for it. Oh, I hope you don't mind if I sit it out. Just don't take too long, okay?
Jason and May must have stayed here often. It's like an actual hideout. What's this old chest doing here? This isn't a chest. It's a puzzle box. Some of these destroy their content if they are forced open. Need to be careful. This is it. The Book of Apologies. To think I had to follow you all the way from Austria to finally get you back.
Sounds great. Really. Are you done yet?
All right, May. Let's get out of here. Can you walk?
Yeah, I think so. Nancy, thank you.
No problem.
Why though? Why did you come down here for me? You don't deserve it.
You know what? You don't deserve any of this. Neither did those people back in 1692. They were victims. And so are you. So I'm breaking the cycle, I hope.
Thanks.
We're just going to leave her down there?
She can take care of herself.
Is that what you told yourself when you climbed down into a burned-out house on your own? What would have happened if we hadn't come along?
We have to get this will to the judge by the end of the day. Otherwise, this whole thing was for naught.
And if Nancy and May are stuck in those tunnels much longer, we'll have some actual deaths on our hands.
And if we go down there, it's going to be all of us.
Isn't May why we're here? Isn't she why Nancy's here?
The only reason I got into this case was because I care about my cousin, okay? But this is what we have to do. Believe me, I don't want anything to happen to May.
Or Nancy.
Or Nancy either. Fine. I'm trying to do one right thing in this whole mess. Every turn we've been lied to, and I am sick of being lied to. Now I am taking this to the judge's office because that is what Nancy would want me to do. Listen, I may not always be her biggest fan, but if there's anything I know about her, it's that she is going to get herself and May out of the tunnels safely. So you can either come with me and wait for Nancy, or get lost down in the tunnels. Your choice.
I hope you're right.
It's flooding!
It's never happened before.
Is there any other way out of here?
I don't know.
We have to keep moving. Come on! Keep moving! Well, this is pleasant.
Keep moving. Faster. Like, don't worry about me. Come on.
You okay? Where are we? What is this place? I can't see a thing. Are you okay?
Please. No.
What's the matter? Talk to me.
Why did you bring me here?
What do you mean?
You saw them. They're coming, and now we're trapped.
Who's coming? What do you mean?
They know what I did. You're going to die here, you know.
No one is going to die. Please, you're hurt. I need you to calm down because you're the one who knows this place and can help us get out of here.
Why would I help you? You don't care what happens to me. You couldn't leave it alone, could you?
Of course I care.
You're not with me. You're with them. I see you now, witch! They sent you here to hurt me! You're the one doing this!
I've been called many things, but I'm not a witch. I don't have special powers. And even if I did, I would never use them to hurt you. No one wants to hurt you. You've done nothing wrong. Let me help you.
But I did! I did do wrong. The fire, everyone knows I did it. That's why they... Yeah!
You're hurt, and you've been poisoned by the water. That's all this is. And the Hathorn House fire wasn't your doing. It was Tegan's. She told me herself.
Tegan told you?
She did, and I believe her.
Tegan shouldn't be speaking to you. Don't listen. don't care about us. You just made everything worse. Now we're going to die here, and you don't even understand. The fire. I deserve it. Me, not her. What I did. I deserve it.
I'm listening. What about the fire don't I understand?
I nearly killed them. That's why the witches are here for me. They almost died. Maybe the Coven really called them, and they've been here ever since that night.
You're not talking about the Hathorn House fire. You mean the first fire. The Coven. That's what Tegan, Lauren, and Olivia called themselves?
Yes. And they would meet.
In that shed. I saw a picture.
Said they were going to contact Salem's ghosts at midnight, but I couldn't come because I was a little kid. Their stupid Coven. I told them witches die in Salem. And I almost...
You wanted to scare them.
I snuck out, past Deirdre. I hid inside the shed, made noises, scratches.
Did they have lit candles?
Yes. They ran away and knocked one over. Slammed the door shut behind them.
You almost died and you took the blame. So this is why they don't talk to each other. I'm so sorry.
It was my fault! If I hadn't... That's why they're coming for me. The witches. I can hear them.
Listen, the water is poisoned. It's been making us see things that aren't there. There are no ghosts. And as for it being your fault... It was an accident. You were all just kids trying to stay out of trouble. You're covering up for Tegan again, but there's no need now. She just wants you home safe.
It's not real? You promise?
I promise. Can we try to find a way out now? And will you please rest your hurt leg?
Yes, please. To both.
Need a light for these candles.
What?
May, do you still have that lighter?
What, you smoke?
Only when I'm on fire.
Of course.
You know, you never did tell me where you got this.
I did tell you. I found it.
Did you get this when you got your injury?
Not that hard to work that one out, I guess. I think it was Olivia's. I don't know why I took it. So I wouldn't forget, I guess. Like I could.
Seems like a good reason to hold on to it. And it has a cool design.
I am addicted to animal prints.
We all have our vices.
Let me guess yours. Chocolate milk?
You are feeling better. Maybe I'll tell you mine after we get out of here. May, have you ever been in this room before?
Yeah. I was here years ago. With Jason. This is where we met after his dad said we couldn't hang out anymore. Until it got blocked off. It's a dead end. There's a wooden panel over there. It wasn't finished. 6 candles, a lantern, those AW symbols. What? Why are you looking at me like that?
You remember all that detail from a room you could barely see?
Is that strange?
Good strange. Very few people are able to remember details like that, especially from so long ago.
I guess I never thought much about it.
A mystery for another time. What was that about a panel?
It made my scars. There's something about it. I couldn't figure it out. Can you just get us out of here?